Hello guys, hello everyone, hello all the crypto and DeFi fans. This is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle, back with another video. Yesterday, I guess, more or less, I did a quick review on BNB25. I told you it was audited by HazeCrypto, well, you should see the audit. It has some valuable information. I always look at everything, and I'm always also doing some uh, counting, the maths behind the contract. So um, what I see and what is nice and probably can also be seen positive by the community, that owners fee are only 7%. Usually they're like 10%, sometimes higher in higher project. So yeah, it's all right. And 25% daily, which is awfully lot, but this contracts like this on Tron network, when I was doing them, not even showing to anyone, just for myself, because they were very very risky, as is this one. But it's just a better one. Just they have some mechanism and also a good name, good fame, good FOMO. So it might work for some time, but I will tell you more about my predictions soon. So for 10 days, so we are able to get 250% return ROI. So 150 will be like our profit. The minimum deposit amount is 0.05 BNB, maximum is 100 BNB, and you can do the maximum you can do is like 200 investments. Referral system, so is very rich. It's like 21%. So yeah, people like it, especially YouTubers, people who refer like on Telegram or whatever. What more? What is important here is this, that we can basically withdraw only once every 24 hours. And this is crucial, because people panic easily. And there I was in Squad Up, and they had like very short plan for 1 day, 10% profit. So it was it was too much, and there were no limits. So people whales just took advantage of it, and then they withdraw very quickly, and the whole thing collapsed in like third day, whatever. So yeah, basically this is something I've been waiting for, this reinvestment thing, and I've seen it in BNB yield and now here, and I'm sure it will be now a new standard in new dApps, because we've seen a lot of clones of bnbstake. This thing is original by the same team who did bnbstake, and it was huge. It was huge. So 25% will be reinvested automatically, and you basically can withdraw every 24 hours. So every 24 hours you'll also reinvest small part of what you withdraw, so you will earn faster. So if you like it or not, you will have to reinvest. You can reinvest the whole everything, but I strongly suggest to enter as fast as you can now, because for me it's like the last day to invest, and then just withdraw every 24 hours, take what is yours, and hope for the best. And in the middle, in the meantime, you'll like have some reinvested money, so you'll be it won't finish after 10 days, because your reinvestments will still work. So we'll see how it works in in 10 days. We'll see if there's still balance in 10 days, because usually what I do usually one cycle, first plan. There's only one plan here, so one cycle. This is my strategy, and this is what I've been showing you in the past few videos. So reinvest system, you can only reinvest once. the maximum amount is 100 BNB, the minimum amount is 0.05 BNB, and also if you reinvest, you can get a 10% bonus if you reinvest all profits instead of withdrawing, because you can withdraw everything you have on your balance, or you can reinvest. So there are only two options, so you get the bonus if you reinvest. So there's also a top leader pool, and there's like counter every 24 hours. The best leaders are rewarded, which have more direct referral counts, and 1% of all deposits are added to the pool every 24 hours. It rewards 25 top leaders. I've seen one leader getting the extra money. It was on a balance, so he'll be able to withdraw it next time his counter will be, you know, 0. So yeah, that's you can also, you know, read through it. If you are interested, you can go to HazeCrypto, check if it's on their website, so you know it's legit. But it is. So here you'll see your balance. Here you'll see generally what are the, you know, key features. So 25% daily for 10 days. They have insurance as well. There also some part of deposit goes there. We'll see. This daily price pool and bonus, the referral program. Alright, so right now balance is 4,000, almost 4,200 BNB, so that's a lot, I guess, taking into account that you know we can withdraw so much here, but only once a day. So we'll see soon. Will there be any drains? Will there be more people coming? Yeah, and also the total reinvested and total withdrawals seems like, you know, the same. So I know the whole system works good in this way, I guess. That's good for now. For now it's good, but the total invested amount is already very high, 6,000. So you know, and 3,000, over 3,000 total users, and bonuses which were paid from the pool, or yeah, that's from the pool, I guess, because the amount that is missing here is the referral system, so it just takes a lot. So you need to take this into your math as well. So I'll be able to withdraw from this account soon. This is I have like 2 accounts, 3 accounts basically, because one on my phone as well, and you know I have different teams, and I'm just checking how some socials work, you know, in comparison to other ones. So this account is 20 referrals. Yeah, and if you want to invest, you'll need to put an amount here manually, or just select the pre-configured amounts and click invest. Let's say we want to invest this much. You'll click invest, and you'll have to accept. On trust, it will show something else. I will show this because a couple of people reported me that they were afraid that something is wrong. But I'll show you that it is not, because I'll connect. Of course, I'm gonna reject now, but yeah, if you accept, then it will go here. And I've made my first withdraw. I didn't wait, you know, because I wanted some portion of it to be reinvested, and now I have active investment which is higher than it was, and you know soon I'll be able to withdraw again, and then also my active investment will be higher, so it will speed up, everything will speed up, and we'll see how it works. If it I know I'm counting for this 10 days, you know, that will be good. If it can stand up for like 2 weeks, close to 2 weeks, it will be all right for me, you know, it will be good. But I don't know, that's just my prediction. Alright, let's look at my second account, because what I did here, I just deposited equal 1 BNB to be able to see the percentage I get very, very clearly, so I don't have to, you know, count it. So from 1 BNB right now, it was, you know, it was invested like maybe, I know, 20 hours from now. I already done one withdrawal, and I already reinvested some of it, you know. So this is the total reinvested, and now I'm waiting for the second withdrawal. It's in 5 hours, and well, then I will count how fast this thing is going from 1 BNB. So we'll be able, because it's not like 250% ROI, because it's going up every time you withdraw. So yeah, it's going faster, a little bit faster every time, because your investments is, you know, you don't have to like it. You're just reinvesting, just withdrawing, and you're reinvesting 25% of it. So you're compounding a little bit every time. Okay, let's look at my Trust account. And so basically you can use Trust Wallet and MetaMask for it. You can install MetaMask. There will be info on how to configure MetaMask for to be able to invest. Basically you need to go here and add custom RPC. This is it will say custom RPC. It's my native language, but it will say custom RPC, and if you go there, you'll have to put it like that. It will be in the description, so yeah, that's like that. And Trust Wallet is easier. You just install it, you know, just you know, like any other wallet. Then you're going here. You will have to enable Smart Chain BNB, not this BNB, no, this one, Smart Chain BNB. So you'll be able to connect with BSC network. And if you go back, yeah, here you have a Dapp browser. So you go here, and here you will enter, for example, my link you will find in the description of this video, and you'll be able to connect like I am. And like this is my third account, also connected to another team, just to, you know, check how my social, a little bit of social marketing is going. Okay, so yeah, I also have like a quarter BNB here invested. Let's look. This is like the minimum, I guess, you should consider to be able, you know, to cover all the fees and still profit. So I already done first withdrawal, is also compounded, and yeah, the team, a little bit small team as well. All right, so yeah, that's it for this video. I will do updates on all platforms soon, show how I'm doing. There will be a new step that I'm going to show, a new investment platform, bnbprofit. As you can see, I already have 8 BNB active plan here. I'm testing the platform. I'm waiting for it to withdraw. This is not on BSC. This works with just regular BNB. So, but you know, it only pays 2.2%. Something else, it has binary. This will be on another video. So thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. If you're not already a subscriber, like this video, and thank you for watching.